Biafra Liberation Army say they don't send over 500 Nigeria soldiers to Judgment. Things are happening. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smart, you know. They say the pastor will be Prophet Ojumeje or Pastor Ojumeje. Don't come outside say he say go deal with anybody wey see any pastor wey dey pray for Israel. Say Nigeria problem, they never pray for the Nigeria problem finish. Now they waka dey go Israel go dey pray. No be small thing. No, before we quickly go inside the main ogbonge news wey carry us come here. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, may you quickly go subscribe immediately and also turn your notification bell for quick update as e dey hot. Yeah, my wonderful people. Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. Say na we be say they don't launch them na fire to fire. They also went ahead and said that for long time now, say they don't buy more than 500 Nigeria soldiers. No be small thing. We go play you one video, may you watch from beginning to end, may you hear when they talk more. And this one no be saying that we talk and then talk by themselves. May you watch the video from beginning to end. Then we'll come back and continue. Just watch the video.
We're joking. A lot of you think we are always coming to make mouth on the social media. Many of you never believe us. But it is not your fault because you fail to believe us. We are going to make things happen the way we always do. And as you are seeing things happening and you still fail to believe us, you are on your own. Remember, when we say that there is nothing like unknown gunmen or gun-known men in Biafra land, we mean it. And when we tell you that we are Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters and Eastern Security Network, we mean it. We don't miss word. Now that the MP, our PM, have launched official uniform that belongs to this group, you have seen it. We want you to stay away from house on Monday. Stay away from road on Monday. Stay in your house. Stay in your house and stay safe. So that we will have time to battle with all these terrorists in Nigeria uniform that are in our land to terrorize us. I've given you expo enough for you to learn a lot. The land of Biafra have been activated its belly to swallow the enemies of Biafrans. It does not really matter how many there are. It does not really matter how they comes. It doesn't really matter what they do or what they come with. One thing really matters for us, and that one thing is those that came to our land to kill us will end up dying in our place. If you don't know this, now you know. The last time they came, their deaths have increased to 500. Because many of them that was wounded and rushed to hospital, more than 100 have reportedly dead. And when I tell them that You only come to the land of Biafra to die. Then think it's a joke. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. I want you to know that we are out to protect the land, and we are out to ensure that you, as a good citizens of Biafrans, are safe. Our duty is to ensure that your life and your property is secure in the land of Biafra. When we tell you to stay away from roads, please do so. When we ask you to stay indoor, please do so. It is for your own betterment. I want to thank many of you that are so much care for me. Yes, so many of you have been messaging me, asking me how I did, that you have been long, you do not hear my voice. I want you to keep calm. Nothing happened to me, and nothing will happen to me. I've come to restore Biafra, and I will restore Biafra. Once sometime you see us go long vacation like this, believe you me, it's either we are on duty or we are cooking something that the terrorist government will not be able to eat in the audience. Yes. So most of the time, I know that these angels of Chukwukika Biama, we always like to come and tell our enemy our next move.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear that by your own ear, as they talk amo no be smarting, they say kasala go boss and they say yawa go gas too. Join them. I want me you leave your own contribution for this particular video where you don't watch. You know, as we they do them now. Tell us what you think and tell us your own opinion regarding this video where we just play you. As they hot, they go. Move quickly jump into the Jűdgèmêŋt matter where you don't want all the whole pastors waiting for Nigeria. Say make them no try you. Say they go they pray for Israel because the country where they call their own country they into katakata and katakata. Say everything they happen for their country. Say they need to pray for their country before they go they pray for other people. Now so the majority talker we'll go ahead now go play the video as in the year the okpata they go and before we continue.
I got you going to pass out this part of the paper. Mark Israel, in your own country, Nigeria. You have never even prayed. Your president, we don't know left and right. Don't pray prayer for your country. If I hear your pain, any pastor here, Israel, I pray for you. Make you do I make you become. What are they calling somebody that will be? Double. I will make you, if you pray pim for any Israel, I will make you deaf and dumb. Pastor Abolo.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, no. I beg Pastor Jűdgèmêŋt, I need that obi. You see that obi, I'll come buy am from you because you get some people where I go give obi for here. All those people where be say they go see your video finish, where they see your video, they go say no, only the video where they like you go they do like saying that they open channel for you. I need that obi to give them immediately. Don't be smart, you know. He said the president no left and right. If they talk left and right, they go be like say the thing now, you know, no front and back. No be smarting. However, now wetin some people wish for themselves. You understand? Now wetin some people wish for themselves, now they get. So now so it be for those pastors where they pray for Israel. Don't hear am. Odumeje saying go do on a deaf am don go. That's one na obi. Abebebebebe. No be small thing. Okay, my people, may you share this video. Share the video as it dey hot, and let us know your opinion for all this updates wey we don bring come give you. No be small thing. As e dey hot to dey go, they don even update us this morning say they don send so many police again for judgment say they don go meet their papa wey dey for heaven. No be small thing, things are happening. They say as finally now, as Simon Ekpa wey be the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile don launch their uniform and all that thing. Say na boy to boy. Hey, no be small thing, no. As e dey hear am for that video wey we first play you, na so we still dey hear am. So we dey here to dey bring you ogbonge news as e dey happen. Only two way you go do to share this video in Igbo Asụsụ Saya, abi and make sure say you dey follow and subscribe to this channel as well. Okay, we go see you for the next update as e dey hot.